When you do a search, the results page will show you the number of related results, the types of material that match your search, either a book, an article, audio-visual, etc., where the items are located, either online, full text available, no full text available, and how to cite, email, save, etc. each result. So let's look at where your item may be located or available. If your result says available at and is followed by the name of the library, then this means it is a physical item such as a print journal, a book, or a DVD. Online access is listed for electronic journals and ebooks that the San Jose State University Library provides access to online. You will need to be logged in to gain access to the content. Full text available applies to electronic articles that the San Jose State University Library provides access to online. Click the Access Online tab to gain access to the full text of the article. You will need to be logged in to gain access to content. No full text means that a book or an article is not available at the library. Click on the No Full Text link to look at your options to getting the items through interlibrary loan or through CSU Plus resource sharing.